and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got a friend mail from the lovely Unpolished by Aggie. She did tell me not to worry about making a video, but I'm making it anyway to say thank you. You guys know I absolutely love Aggie to pieces. She is a star all around. She is funny, she's honest, she's great. I love her to pieces. Her nail art is absolutely bang on. Her reviews are so informative. Like, if you're not already subscribed to her, please do. You probably already are. I'm sure you probably already are. But if not, please do, because you absolutely love her videos. A little while ago now, maybe a month or two ago, she done a review on this lip gloss making kit. It looked really fun, something a bit different. I love my makeup and bits and bobs like that. So for me, that kit looked absolutely incredible, and I commented about it in a video, and bless her heart, she ended up messaging me and she straight up said, look, I really enjoyed making the lip gloss, but I'm probably not going to do it again. And she said she was going to send me the kit. She really didn't have to. I wasn't expecting her to at all. I was going to quite happily buy one because it really does look like good fun. But like she said, like, you know, she's probably not going to use it again, so she sent it my way. I'm hoping I can persuade my daughter to sit down with me and create some lip gloss with me. She's not quite in that stage yet where she's into makeup and that. Like, I managed to get her to do a face mask with me the other day, which was awesome, but she's not quite into all that yet. But hopefully I can persuade her to sit down with me. But yeah, Aggie sent me that little lip gloss kit, and Aggie being Aggie, she also has sent me some other little bits and bobs as well. So that's what I'm here to show you today. Thank you so much, Aggie. I really do appreciate it. You really didn't have to send me anything at all, and yeah, I couldn't be more thankful for the fact that you have. So I'm going to dive into the video, show you everything she sent me. Like I said, if you're not already subscribed to her, please do. But yeah, other than that, let's crack on and get into the video. So we have got two little notes here. She has sent one saying, one of the tubes is missing because I had to use it in the review video. Have fun, love you lots, Aggie. And then we've got another one saying, I can't send anyone a parcel without putting a couple of glitters inside. It's not much, have fun, Aggie. She's a star, and she says it's not much. She sent me quite a few little bags here. I can't wait to have a look at them all. But yeah, thank you, Aggie. So I'm going to start off by showing you all the little knickknacks she sent me, and then I'll give you a little look at the lip gloss kit. Oh, wow. So I've not actually had a look myself yet. I've been waiting to see the video, so I'm not actually too sure what she sent me. But it looks like here we have got a load of neon hoops. I've not seen these before. But it looks like you've got the large sort of cutouts, you've got like the middle cutouts, and then you've got like the little baby cutouts. But these are really cool. I don't have anything like this at all. I really do not have anything like this at all. They're really cool, and literally every single neon colour as well. And she sent me loads of them. I'm never going to get through all those. They are so cool though. I've never seen these before. Aggie is so good at finding all the best little unique bits. I never see bits like this. Like, I spend quite a lot of time on AliExpress and places like that, but I never see these cool little things that Aggie manages to pick up. But yeah, I love those. I'm definitely going to have to create some funky designs with them. So ideal for summer as well. Such bright, beautiful colours. I love those. Thank you, Aggie. Then, what have we got here? Right, so it looks like they're all different. Oh, okay. I've got some of the neon ones, these. Gina sent me some of the neon ones, these. These are like little Louis Vuitton symbols. The LV. These ones are in white. I tell you what, I'm sat here filming. I can smell the chocolate fragrance in the lip gloss making kit because I've opened the box again. It's really, really, really potent. Yeah, these are cool. These are really cool. I've seen the Chanel ones, but I've never seen the Louis Vuitton ones. And Gina mentioned about the neon ones, and she sent me some a while back. But yeah, I didn't know they did white ones as well. I really like those. And then we've got these. These are like little butterflies. I've not seen these either. I've got quite a lot of little butterfly sequins, but they're sort of like the standard. I don't even know what I'm trying to explain here, but like the standard butterflies that you see everywhere being sold. These ones are a little bit more detailed. And they're silver, pink and blue holographic. But yeah, they're just like a little bit more detailed. They're slightly bigger than the average butterflies you see around. I hope you guys know what I mean when I say average butterflies. I'm really not very good at describing things, but like most glitter stores and stuff sell these same shape, size butterflies. You do get them in different colours, but they're all the same. Not getting my words out very well today, but they're all the same shape and size butterflies that you typically see. These ones aren't. I've never seen ones like these before. They definitely look more detailed. They're definitely slightly bigger. They're still really, really, really thin, so they're going to sit nicely on a nail. I really like those, and yeah, like I said, I've never seen them before. They're wicked, they are. Okay, then we've got these, which are all matte. So we've got matte yellow and pink little hearts. Then we've got sort of turquoise and like a dusky sort of light pink stars. But you've got like the outer star and the inner star as well. They're really cool. I think I might already have some of these turquoise stars from Sparkle Supplies, but I don't have the pink ones, and I really like the little hearts as well. They're so cute, and again, so good for summer. I love those. Ooh, what are these? Oh, they're kind of funky. I don't have nothing like these either. They kind of resemble a heart shape, but I don't know, they kind of look like petals. Maybe they'd make good petals on a flower. I don't know what exactly they're meant to be, but I'd say they'd make really good little petals for a flower for sure. But they are absolutely gorgeous colours. So they're kind of like semi-matte. They're like ever so slightly shiny, but they still have that sort of mattified effect. I'm really not getting my words out today, am I? I'm so sorry guys, I'm really trying, but I'm just getting very jumbled here. It's because I'm excited. I get really excited about these things. To be honest, these days when I look online at nail stuff, I very rarely see a lot that I want, because you tend to see the same old stuff floating around that I've already got. But like I said, Aggie's the queen of finding stuff that's different and unique that you don't see everywhere. And these I've never seen before. But yeah, I feel like they'd make a gorgeous little flower. Yeah, really like those. And then we've got some stars again. Oh, I like those black ones. They're cool. They've got like 8 points on them, the black ones. And then we've got red ones, a 4-pointed. We've got like small, medium and large. And then we've got silver holographic stars. So we've got the large one, and then you've got the cut out center one. They're really cool again as well. Yeah, they're awesome. I just don't have these things. It's really cool. I love getting little sequin shapes, but like I said, I find it really hard to find any, because you just sort of see the same old typical ones everywhere. It's very rare to see like something different. But yeah, each and every one of these little baggies is something different and something new that I don't have, and I absolutely love every single one of them. So thank you so much, Aggie. I really do love them all. And then we have got some glitters. These are really funky glitters. That one there reminds me exactly of cookie dough from Sparkle Supplies. But they've got a good mixture of matte and metallic, and I'm absolutely loving these little mixtures of matte and metallic at the minute. Like a good year ago, like, I never really saw glitters like this at all, but recently they've become quite popular and I'm seeing them all over the place. But they're just so different and unique. I absolutely love the yellow in that one. They're just so fun. Oh, that one's really nice as well. I would love some of that beige colour just in one mix all together, like on its own, because I don't have nothing like that. But they are really nice glitter mixes, and so different and so unique. Like, look at that one, it's so bright and colourful, metallic. I really need to do some sets with some of these matte glitters, so I've got quite a few now. But yeah, they're so unique and different, really are. Okay, and then moving on to the lip gloss making kit. This is what the box looks like. Like Aggie said, there is a tube missing because she's done a review video on it. I'm not going to do a video on this. If you would like to watch her video on it, I will leave it linked to my description box. Her video is awesome. She sort of goes through the whole process of making the lip gloss and does a full-on review on it. It's a really fun video to watch, so definitely go check it out. But like I said, I'm going to try and persuade my daughter to sit down and do this with me if she will. Hopefully she will, so I won't be doing a video on this. But yeah, check Aggie's out. You'll really enjoy it. But like in this kit, you get your lip gloss base. You get your little piping bags. You get the fragrance oil. Like Aggie hasn't actually used this in her one because she didn't like the fragrance. A while ago I sent her some wax melts, and I sent her, I think, chocolate fudge brownie wax melts or something. I think she said she ended up putting them out in the garden because she really didn't like the smell and it was making her and her partner feel sick. So yeah, she ended up with a chocolate fragrance and lip gloss making kit, and she didn't end up using it because it just, yeah, it's not the greatest of smells, I'm not gonna lie. It's very potent, like I could smell it straight away. As soon as I got this package, I could smell it. It's just not something you want your home smelling of or your face smelling of. It's definitely a little bit of a funky fragrance, but they are really generous with the amount they give you in this kit. I do give them that, but it would have been cool to get a few more other scents. I think you get 6 different tubes, and they all sort of have, like, this one looks like watermelon, that one kind of looks like pomegranate. So it would have been cool to get the scents to match with the tubes on the lip gloss, if that makes sense. But this kit looks like so much fun. And you also get these little lip gloss pigments as well. They're like little powder pigments. You get 6 of those as well, which is really good. But yeah, like I said, if you'd like to know more about the kit, go over and watch Aggie's video. She always does really in-depth reviews, and she'll tell you absolutely everything you need to know about this kit if it's something you're interested in yourself. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. Thank you so much, Aggie. Like, she really didn't have to. I think I just said in a video something like, I really like the look of the kit, like it's something like I really love to do, and then next thing you know, she's offering to send me it, and she's such a little star, and I absolutely think the world of her. I love her to pieces. Yeah, I'm very thankful to have sort of semi-met her. It's hard. There's so many nail girls I'd love to meet in person, but obviously we're all scattered all around the world. But you know, there's some fabulous girls in this nail community, and I have so much love for them all. Like, I love being part of this community, and I'm so glad that I went ahead and I created a YouTube channel, and I've sort of got to know all the girls. And yeah, I don't know, I love talking to all the girls. It's just, even though we haven't met each other, they're all still like family to me, and I love them all to pieces. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to stop being all sentimental and soppy anyway. I'm really sorry if this video has been a bit jumbled. I don't know what's up with me today. I'm feeling a bit funky, a bit excitable. I don't know why. I just have I'm just one of those moods today. But yeah, anyways, I hope you have all enjoyed this video. Like I said, go subscribe to Aggie. Go subscribe to Aggie if you haven't already. I will leave her channel, I'll leave the video and that all in the description box. But yeah, much love to you all. Thank you all so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.